What did we get today?
We got a belt-driven Canadian National.
Okay. What's this?
That is a sandboard.
Seaboard.
Seaboard?
Yeah, but what are you calling it?
Boat. I'm going to call it the BBB for Big Boat Bertha.
Okay.
A
Cattle car.
animal livestock car.
Yeah.
Another flatbed for, I don't know what this one goes to. If anybody could let me know. And also, hold on. Wait. I'd also like to mention these are the old, these are the nice ones. So they have the suspension trucks on them.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Hold on.
Okay.
Those suspension trucks don't move, but these ones do better.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Next.
Okay. A German? Is it German or is it Sweden? I think it was Sweden. Steam 260 locomotive. Number 60.
Japan.
Oh, Japan. Number 61. A little bit dusty. It's a heavy locomotive. It is one of the detail plates for the light on front fell off, but that's a quick gluing fix, no problem there. And there's what it looks like inside the cab. And there's no detail in there. It's really just weights and motor components.
Cool.
It is a corkscrew drive that goes into this piece here, and then it drives this wheel, and then the push rods drive the other wheels. And
That's about it.
that's about it. Wait, and the tender. The tender too. The tender is a pickup tender, so it does pick up power with. Wait a minute. Hold on. No, it is not a pickup tender. I'm sorry. This tender does not pick up power. Just it's a very heavy tender. It weighs about pound and a half, maybe 2 pounds. The train weighs a good 2.5, 3 pounds. So it's a heavy train.
1980s, I think. That's what it said on the box.
Yeah, it said 1980s.
87.
Oh. It is. Here's the box if you just want to.
You're
the
gonna lose
video.
your piece if you.
If you just want to pause the video and read the pieces on the box.
I can't pause it.
No, not you.
Oh.
The people watching.
Gotcha.
Silly.
Oh.
Silly.
Mm-mm. Cool. Very cool.
And here's the other trains available.
Nice. All right.
And that is about it. Bye.